Okay, quick update. Okay, so a quick update on progress. I did get some overtime hours Saturday and Sunday. However, we didn't have to work as much the following Sunday. So that removed some of the hours, and I still didn't make quite enough. This is what I'm thinking I'm going to make here shortly on Thursday. So with this check and the next check, I've got to pay the house payment and stuff. So I still don't have enough for the power bill. I think everything else is paid except for the car insurance. Missing out. I missed a lot of hours. December holidays, Christmas through New Year's. Also, the wage garnishment thing should be over here shortly, at least one of them. I think I'm down over $1,000 due to plant not working during the holidays and the wage garnishment. So that's why I'm struggling so much with these payments, because it doesn't leave me enough money to pay everything. Anyway, I'll see what I can do toward the end of the month and update the board accordingly. Thanks for watching.